National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Monona County, northwestern Harrison County in southwestern Iowa, Burt County, eastern Cumming County in northeastern Nebraska, northwestern Washington County, northeastern Dodge County, Thurston County in northeastern Nebraska, until 7 a.m. At 6:24 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Winnebago to near Bancroft to 6 miles northwest of Yuling, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Macy around 6:35 a.m. Decatur and Craig around 6:40 a.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Tekema, Whiting, and Ottawa. This includes Interstate 29 between mile markers 97 and 125. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 07:00 a.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Burt, Cumming, Dodge, Thurston and Washington, and Harrison, Iowa.